Dispensaries are the most practical and efficient way to provide patients with medical marijuana cards their prescriptions. With the recent increase in the number of dispensaries in certain areas of the country, medical marijuana is much more accessible to patients. Many dispensaries are being required to close down, which could be devastating to those who use medical marijuana. The legalization of marijuana would contribute to the continuation and growth of medical marijuana dispensaries.
The battle over marijuana legalization has been a hot debate topic over the last few years. 1996 marked the year that medical marijuana was first legalized in the United States. California was the first state to take this step, and since then 14 states have followed. Arizona is the newest state to legalize medical marijuana in the recent elections. Many jails are overcrowded and over capacity because of the strict laws surrounding marijuana use, and we feel that medical marijuana, as well as marijuana in general, should be legalized.
The United States philosophy in the drug war is the zero-tolerance approach, in which they have the belief that drug policy should attempt to reduce drug use by promoting abstinence and enforcing prohibition. The United States policies fail to recognize that drug use is inevitable and that policies that focus on rehabilitation and creating less harm are more practical and logical than just throwing the drug user in jail. The zero-tolerance approach has proven impossible to enforce, and it harbors certain illogical and hypocritical elements.
Marijuana is a very hot topic in current U.S. politics. Medical marijuana has been legalized in 14 states, and with each election, more measures are added to ballots. Democrats and young voters tend to be more pro-legalization, so in upcoming elections, advocates look towards them to help pass measures. In this past November election, Proposition 19 was included in the California ballot, which called for the legalization of marijuana for persons 21 years of age or older and the taxation of the plant. It did not pass, but only by a small margin. There are many supporters of the issue, including the former Surgeon General Jocelyn Elders.
Legalization can create many economic benefits, and the first main topic is that it would create a large amount of tax revenue. Another economic benefit from legalization is the decreased spending on the legal system in housing prisoners for marijuana offenses. The last main reason why legalization will have economic benefits is that it allows for a new market, which creates new jobs for the public. By legalizing marijuana, it creates many economic benefits and would allow for the economy to be healthy and, more importantly, would create economic growth.